Hey guys, Diabolos here, and today we'll be looking at the combo Master Diabolos Blitz Ultimate Reboot. Now, normally you would want to use Ultimate Reboot Dash on this, obviously for attack and spring, but since I don't have that driver, we'll have to stick with Ultimate Reboot. Though I will say now, out of all the tests I've done with this combo, I have not seen it burst once. And one thing, this combo is very good in swing spin matchups, or it does do good in pretty much both matchups really. But I feel like in swing spin matchups it does do pretty well, though it is a bit of a 50-50. Anyway, I'll show you guys the combos it's going up against. Okay guys, these are the combos Diabolos will be going up against. Now, actually I like this camera angle. Now, as I said before, it does pretty well in same spin and opposite spin matchups. So, I've gotten Dread Bahamut, Zero Wall Orbit Metal for its left spin matchup. I've gotten Big Ben Genesis, 11 Wall Octa for its right spin opponent, and then I've gotten Lord Spriggan for it to go dual spin for a dual spin matchup. Now the way I'm going to do this is, actually I haven't come up with it yet, but I'm trying to get at least one battle against with each rotation. And time for the first battle. Okay guys, I'm back, and for the first battle we'll be putting Diabolos up against Bahamut, because I feel like that's sort of a throwaway battle. We'll start off with it in right spin, because why not? And we'll move on to left spin in a few rounds. Maybe one round, I don't know, we'll see. Let it rip. Let it rip. Now you do want to get an angled launch, because it does help to really just get it more. Because the way I see Ultimate Reboot is you get 2 rounds, 1 in half decent and Diabolos wins. 1 in half decent attack strength and 1 in maximum attack strength. And if you can take advantage of half decent before maximum starts, that is when you have a good round. Like, that's when you have a good handle on the battle. Okay, the score is 1-0. I'm gonna keep Diabolos in left spin and right spin, and Bahamut spins out. That's the problem with wall. You can't hard launch it, and I just hard launched it. That's how it's going on the offensive now. Diabolos is getting some pretty good hits in. Its reboot has been kicking in. Diabolos is gonna, and Bahamut's gonna scrape. Bahamut's scraping, and it's done. Diabolos wins, but it did start spinning pretty quickly after Bahamut stopped. So what would have happened if it had not been up against wall? But anyway, we'll be switching into left spin now. So here it is. Let's see. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go 2 rounds in left spin and 2 rounds in right spin for each bay. Let's see how this goes. Okay, round 3. Diabolos is in left spin now. I know left spin's more the defense mode for Diabolos, but it has got some pretty good attack strength to it. The Beyblade, yes, there we go. You see that knockout attack strength? It just needed to spin out. Next round, scores 3-0. But Diabolos did win, but I do want to give it one more round in left spin. Next. Okay, showcase round with Diabolos in left spin. Okay, wow. Wow, Bahamut trying to ruin my video. Stadium back. Oh wow. Come on, get on the launcher. I did sort of mess around when I launched, but it's pretty much taken the battle. There we go, and the Reboot's giving it some good heavy impacts. Diabolos wins that round, 4-0. Let's go on to the next battle with Big Bang Genesis. Now, my Big Bang Genesis does sometimes, like the Big Bang armor, sometimes just doesn't work when I test to see if it's working. I don't know why. Like, I'll press the tabs in. You see it's on the right way. I'll push the tabs in, but it still bursts. Like, I don't know why that is, but I can rarely ever fix it, so it's gonna be a bit weird of a battle. I'll say that much. Oh, it wasn't even alright. Nope, still bursts. Anyway, let's get started. I'll launch Genesis first, then Diabolos. Diabolos doing pretty well at wasting out Genesis stamina, but it is on Octa, so. Oh wait, I forgot to show your combos. Oh wait, no, I forgot to show Spriggan's combo. I was not paying attention to who won that, but Spriggan is on 0 bump, extend plus in stamina mode. I have to look back at that footage to see who won because I was not paying attention. Next, I've just looked back over the footage and Diabolos won that round. Pretty close, not gonna lie, but he did win either way. Anyway, round 2 scores 1-0. Oh, Diabolos did get some good hits. Diabolos is getting some good hits in. Oh, Genesis is looking kind of wobbly, not gonna lie. And it's done. Score is 2-0. Let's switch it back into right spin now. And we'll get on with round 3. The score is 2-0. Okay, we got Diabolos in right spin. Let's get started. Oh, jump. Oh, and that instant knockout. Diabolos takes it with a ring out finish. That was no clicks. No way. Anyway, let's get on to the next round. Diabolos. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I did not want to record this video today, but I am glad I'm doing it. Like that instant KO just got me hyped. Good hits. Hasn't even rebooted yet. Didn't even need to reboot before taking out. And it knocked back the armor. Didn't even need to reboot before taking out Big Bang. It just did it, then rebooted. Wow. Big Bang, Central Gamer. Oh, but we did get 1 click. Anyway, now for the Lord to be dethroned. Now, if Diabolos, because I have been testing these battles, Diabolos does normally win. But it wouldn't be the first time Spriggan acts differently off camera to when it's on camera in a battle. So, last time it happened, I didn't even upload it. That's how surprising it was. I did sort of weak launch on Diabolos, but I don't know if that will do anything. Blitz is pushing Spriggan down. Will it be enough? We'll see. They're both kind of wobbly. Oh, Spriggan wins just by a little rotation. And the next round scores 1. Here's the first bait to snag a point from Diabolos. So, it will be interesting to see this battle. especially when I switch it to left spin. Oh wait, what I should have done is I should have swapped. Oh, after this battle, I'll swap Sprig into right spin too. And I'll keep Diabolos in right spin just for this one round. So I guess it's best of 5, I guess. And Diabolos wins. Okay, I'm gonna swap Sprig into right spin. So it's a right on right battle. And we'll see the next battle. Scores 1-1. Let's go. Lord Spriggan. I want to sort of messed up there. I don't know what happened, but let's see what happens here. Now Spriggan can't. Oh wait, did it burst? What happened to Bump? Bump just fell off as it got KO'd. It just dropped off. Okay, Diabolos takes that. I'll be swapping into left mode for the next battle, so it's left on right in Diabolos, but Diabolos is left and Spriggan's right. Scores 1-2. Let's get to the next battle. I don't know what it is about this video. There's something good about recording it that I don't feel when I'm recording on my videos. I don't know if it's just a raw feeling of testing it. What just happened there? Diabolos just bursted on contact. Can we count that? Do we count that? I don't feel like that should count. What happened? I'm gonna look back at the footage. That was weird. He just bursted on impact. Okay, I've looked back at the footage and I still don't know what happened. But I'm not gonna count that battle. So the score's still 1-2. That was such a weird round, man. Don't burst on impact this time. There we go, there we go, there we go. Seriously, that burst, like if you watched Valkyrie versus the Rivals combo, it's on par with that. Alright, Spriggan has some good hits, but Spriggan is spin stealing. But Diabolos takes it. The score is 3-1. Now, we've had right on right, we've had right on left, we've had left on right. Now it's time we have... Wait, have we had left on left? We haven't. Time to switch Spriggan here into left spin for the final round. Okay, I'm very interested in seeing how this battle goes, really. They're in. Diabolos is going for it. I've never seen it self-KO. That's the first time I've ever seen it self-KO. What? Yo, that was... Why are these battles so weird when they involve Spriggan and Diabolos? Like, these two are the weirdest pair in a stadium. Like, one of them always does something dumb. I know. Spriggan or Diabolos. Whenever they go up against the Bay, something dumb happens. But when they both go against each other, something really dumb happens. What was that? I'm doing another round. What? Scores 2-3? That was such a weird round though. I don't know what to think. More self KOs. Brilliant. Brilliant from these bays. These bays are really brilliant. Top tier bays, everyone. Top tier layers. Oh, Spriggan did have a bit of a rough launch. Let's see if that translates into the battle. No, it's not getting them hits in. Like, if Spriggan doesn't have its stamina attacked, then Diabolos just won't go in. Like, nah, Diabolos has lost this round. It's lost. You need to strike it. Like, if you're just circling around, like, if it's just circling the outside, then there's no win. There's no victory to be had. I don't know why I just launched again, but okay. And it's doing it again. it's not going for Spriggan. And if it doesn't go for Spriggan, it's lost. Extend Plus, so much LAD. You can't take out a Bay with that much LAD unless you're striking it second and second every second of the battle. I stand corrected. Diabolos takes it. Wow. What was that? Okay, I'm never putting these two against each other in left spin again. What was that battle? Time for the outro. Okay, guys, that was Master Diabolos Blitz Ultimate Reboot. I just realized this thing has not been featured in this video. That's a first. That's a first. Like, I've never seen. I don't remember the last time I filmed a video without ignition in it. That's a first for me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I will say now, my printers are a bit messed up right now, so I don't know how long it will take before I do another 3D print Beyblade video. But when I do, it will definitely be something good. I'll try to make it something good at least. And I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Oh, and actually, before I end the video, I need to address this because I already missed the other 4 times. Thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. As of now, let me check the sub count. It's something over 500. Let me look. Yeah, right now, as of me recording this, we are at, if it wants to load, I'm just going to assume it says 501. Oh, wait. We're at 500. Right now, we're at 500. So, thank you guys all for that. I wouldn't, like, it's actually mental to me that that's been achieved. And I just can't, I'm still trying to process that I've even gone past 100. So, guys, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I will, obviously, of course, I'll try to pump out more quality content. Because I'll be honest, these combo battles they're good, but they're not great. Like, I have ordered Sparking Bays as I've ordered pretty much every one of them except for Curse Satan. But none of them have come yet. I think, as of me recording this, Glide Ragnarok should come tomorrow. Brave Valkyries, I'm not sure. Helios and Hyperion haven't been shipped yet since I bought them with Fafnir. Yeah, it's just Sparking Bays will be coming soon. I'm already eyeing up Rage Longinus for next month. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.